going on, guys? I am Clint Geyer.
And I'm Brian Geyer.
That's right, and we are CB Yodas. So today, what we're doing, if you had been following along on our 93 Toyota pickup 22RE, we got it out and on the stand. And today we are going to clean it up a little bit. So instead of buying the, instead of buying the engine degreaser stuff, I always like to use oven cleaner because, yes, I know engine degreaser is made for engines, but oven cleaner is cheaper and seems to be a lot stronger. So we got some at Family Dollar today, and we're gonna try to get this sucker cleaned up. What do you think?
Yeah.
You ready to get dirty or, well, clean?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, this sucker is just blasted with old nasty oil and dirt and grease and grime and every damn thing else. So, like I said, I got some oven cleaner. I don't know what to do with it. Ah, here it is. Right? Heavy duty, quick and easy. And it seems pretty simple, really. So, I'm going to spray that on there, let it sit for a minute, and then watch the grease just kind of melt off of it. Take the pressure washer to it, and we'll be good to go. Now, all I'm trying to do here is just spray a little bit of the oven cleaner around on the block and everything in the worst areas. So, get everything soaked down real good, let it foam up, and once I get done with that, let it run for just a little bit, and then I'll high pressure it off here. Okay, so I got everything with the oven cleaner on there. It's been sitting for about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and start pressure washing it off. Just watch everything melt off of it, basically. Well, I got it cleaned up, and it turned out okay. This side turned out real nice. You can actually see some of the metal, which, wow, that's different. So, what I got to do yet? Oh no, my tape came off. Anyway, what I got to do yet? I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna take more of the oven cleaner, heavy duty oven cleaner, and spray some more on it pretty well all around everything. Let it foam up real good, almost to where it's dried on there, and then I'll pressure wash it one more time. Got the transmission cleaned up. It was a disaster, and so I got it cleaned up a little bit. I'm gonna do the same thing on it though. Let it dry, and I've got some aluminum acid I'm gonna try on it too, to try to brighten it up a little bit. You'll never see it, but it's just, I don't know, maybe an OCD of mine. So now we got the intakes, throttle body intake, and a couple odds and ends parts to clean up. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil here because I feel like it's going to be very interesting to see what it looks like. So we'll start off here. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought it was going to look like. Holy crap. Oh, man. That is some pretty silver, black, metallic paint, right? Wait a minute. Oh, no, no. Oh, okay. That's the, oh my God. That's the oil filter out of this truck. What do you think about that? Oh, yeah. I'll tell you what, if I could put that in a paint gun and spray it, I would.